While our Saturday morning storms were most known for their wind damage, the National Weather Service did report a tornado that was on the ground in western Defiance County. This is just to the east of the DeKalb County line. This is to the north of Hicksville. This tornado touched down just north of Buckskin Road. It traveled its way north and east across Casebeer Miller Road and lifted in this wooded area here. It did cause some minor damage and major damage to some barns and did damage a home. And with that, it was rated an EF1 with peak winds up to 90 miles per hour. While it was only on the ground for a minute, it traveled for 0.72 miles, and its maximum width was 100 yards. But the amazing thing about this, there were no injuries or deaths reported.